Hi guys, so today I was looking something at the pantry and then I saw this homemade pickled shishito peppers. It was like 3 years and half. So as you can see, May 7 of 2022, and I haven't eat this shishito because I forget about it. And so now I'm gonna eat this, guys. I'm gonna eat it and let's try it, guys. And see. So this shishito peppers, it's 3 years and half years old. And that looks good. It's homemade. This is from my garden 3 years and half ago. So as you can see, it's so pretty. So if you ordered Domino's Pizza, they put peppers, like I think two of them or one, and it tastes like the same as this of what I did, what I made. Pickled shishito peppers. Mm. Mmm. Yum. It has, I don't want to eat the seed.
That's very telling of the bill.
Mm.
I've stabilized the breach during the campaign. It may have taken till Act 10, but I did it.
Mm.
And I barely did it by the skin of
I
my
let my husband try the shishito pickle, and he likes it. Shishito peppers is not usually
commonplace with this bill.
spicy as jalapeno. So, yeah.
10x the damage it's doing right now.
3 years and a half. Oh my god. Yum. I want some juice. Juice.